Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more videos, and if you have been here before, thank you for coming back. Today, we're diving into the world of CVs and discussing what fresh graduates should avoid including. So, let's get started. When it comes to creating a winning CV, as a fresh graduate, you need to be strategic with what you include. Here are the top 5 things you should avoid. Point 1. Irrelevant work experience. It's important to remember that not all work experience is created equal. If you have previous job experience that isn't directly related to the position you're applying for, it's best to leave it off your CV. Focus on highlighting experiences that showcase your skills and qualifications for the specific role. By tailoring your CV to the job you are applying for, you'll demonstrate your suitability for the role and increase your chances of getting noticed by potential employers. Point 2. High school details. Unless you are a recent high school graduate with limited work experience, it's typically unnecessary to include details about your high school education on your CV. Instead, prioritize listing your university degree and any relevant academic achievements. Highlighting your higher education and any academic honors or projects will give employers a clearer picture of your qualifications and potential. Point 3. Personal information. Your CV should focus on your professional qualifications, so it's best to avoid including personal details such as your date of birth, marital status, religious beliefs, or political affiliations. These details are not relevant to your professional qualifications and could be considered discriminatory in some contexts. Remember, employers evaluate you based on your skills, experience, and qualifications rather than personal characteristics. Point 4. Hobbies and interests unrelated to the job. While it's important to showcase your personality, including an extensive list of unrelated hobbies and interests may distract from your professional qualifications. Instead, consider mentioning activities or interests that are directly relevant to the position or demonstrate valuable skills. By highlighting hobbies and interests that align with the job requirements, you'll present yourself as a well-rounded candidate who brings relevant skills and experiences to the table. That wraps up our discussion on what not to include on your CV as a fresh graduate. Remember, crafting a winning CV is all about showcasing your relevant qualifications and experiences. Stay tuned for more career tips and advice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. See you next time.